Funmit sent me some filters. These filters are for the LEVOIT Core 300 Pro, I think. It's an air filter that is highly rated and apparently does good work. It just came in a box and they sent me this 2-pack, and I don't know what more to say other than they came in these plastic bags, and it also came with this little brush. So I don't know if this is to clean the filter itself or maybe even the slot that you put it in from like previous debris, but it's there. But just taking a look, it's got the color all around it. These are the green ones. There's the inside. There's this bottom. Doesn't seem to move at all, so I have to imagine it's as simple as just taking out your old one and putting this in wherever it goes. On the product site, it talked about how good these filters are, but some of the pictures led me to believe that the different colors that they offer might be specified to different things. Like greens might be for toxins and yellows might be for pet allergens. I'm not entirely sure. Part of me wonders if it was just colors being used to show off all of the features in their filters, but they also offer different colors, but the different variations of colors didn't really have any note of like specific purpose in the product listing, if that makes sense. Either way, there's the filters. Good look at them.